Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Super excited to update you guys on REEF today. I know many of you guys have been keen to learn more about REEF since my last update. In this video, I'm actually going to give you a price prediction, and you will see how price did in fact reject this key structure area. But of course, we've gone back into structure just to retest the support of that structure, and it looks like we could see a takeoff from this level. But before I get into the video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, turn the bell notification on so you can stay up to date on all my recent videos. Remember, guys, nothing that you see in this video is financial advice. So always make sure to do your own research. And as always, click the link in my description. Join the Telegram group so you can stay up to date on all our recent updates, news updates, technical updates, and much more. And of course, if you want those juicy entries and exits, you can click the link in my description and join Crypto Crew Premium today. Now, let's get into some of the new events that I wanted to show you guys, and a quick way or easy way for you guys to be able to stay up to date on all the latest REEF data. Now, an easy way of doing this, let me just go back, would be to go on the REEF website, so reef.finance, and just go to, and again, you can go to documents, mainnet, etc. But just go to blog, and you can stay up to date. And of course, you can do this with pretty much every single cryptocurrency that you're looking at, and just go to the blog, and then you should see literally the most recent updates on REEF in this occasion. So their recent updates, and of course you can see all the updates in June so far. So this is what I'm keeping a close eye on, right? And I'm mainly looking at major news that can affect the long-term growth of REEF, right? So of course, because we're obviously buying short term, we are looking at this from a short term and long term perspective. And this is why on the last video I made, I was highlighting a nice area to buy off. And to be honest with you, this could be in a very interesting short-term position. So for those of you that are maybe, not even interested in REEF in that sense, and you don't really care about the long-term value or proposition of this, of course, this is a lovely setup, right? Price sold off. We found the bottom. As I mentioned before, I don't believe we're going to see price go back to May lows, and voila, even if you buy this right back up to the top of the range, that's 138%, which is of course a juicy move. And of course, if we do that back to all-time highs, we're looking at 200%. And of which case, let's say price does start moving up, and let's just say price goes up about 40-50%, you could essentially take profit on what you've already entered and just let this play out. So it would be a risk-free position. And in fact, this ties into the margin trading that we're actually going to roll out in our Crypto Crew Premium channel pretty soon. We're going to announce that in our Crypto Crew Premium channel this Sunday. So we are going to start taking advantage of these price movements, because why not, right? Especially when you've got nice positions like this, it makes sense to accumulate the actual coin itself. But of course, if you also want to raise capital, why not day trade this as well, taking advantage of the market going up and also the market going down. So I'm going to be keeping a close eye on price. Again, this looks like a beautiful entry. I'm super excited to see how this looks, by the end of the month. And then, of course, we can look back and say, okay, cool. As you can see, price did play out. We can see that these structure areas do actually make sense. And as you can see, guys, once we close above our moving averages, it's going to be one hell of a rally for this. And as you can see, we are still below the moving averages on the 4-hour time frame. But as we get lower and lower, as you can see, let's just scroll out. It looks like we're about to see an explosion, guys. Whenever the moving averages get tight like this, and of course the crossovers start happening, we can expect a move. And you can see how price actually, when price did crash, this is on a 5 minute time, when price did actually move to the downside, you see how quickly price did spike all the way back up, right back into trend. So yeah, let's see what happens. Anyway, I'm not going to hold you guys up for too long, but let's just keep a close eye on price. And of course, you guys are waiting for that price prediction. So I do believe we're going to hit over $4 per coin before 2025, right? I believe we're going to hit $4 per coin on REEF before 2025. That is my prediction, and of course that's a long-term prediction. If you want the short-term targets, you have to join Crypto Crew Premium. But again, I'm super bullish on this cryptocurrency, and my prediction is $4 before 2025. And make sure you're subscribed, because in the next video I'm going to explain exactly why, and I'm going to break this down fundamentally, technically, even, well, mainly fundamentally, because of course there isn't that much fun technicals to actually map out here, right? So we're gonna do that all for you guys. So make sure you're subscribed. Make sure you join the Telegram, because I might just decide to drop it there instead. So make sure you are up to date with everything that we're doing in this community. Now, with that being said, guys, let's just see if we can hold above this support area. We'll be keeping a close eye on this, and of course, once we do break at least, I say once we rally at least 50, not 50%, but if we rally at least 20%, I'll do another update, price update on this, and then we'll start mapping out what we could see from this point on. But until then, guys, remember, when others are fearful, be greedy. When others are greedy, be fearful. This is one of the best opportunities that we have at the moment, especially being an early adopter of REEF. This is incredible, absolutely incredible entry. We're gonna look back on this and absolutely laugh. But anyway, guys, with that being said, seize the day.